This is definitely the one. Check the tail.
Yeah, I see it. It's Soviet made.
The crack starts right here. And these rivets are completely gone. The fracture point is right here. Got it. The rust indicates this has been here for years.
We can use the main rotor lift points, but the corrosion is severe here.
The schematics show reinforcement plates. We'll need secondary supports for the tail boom. Straps are tight on this side. How's that anchor point holding?
Solid. We're secure for the lift.
Okay, she's down. Lock those binders.
Secured, boss. She's not going anywhere.
That corrosion near the rotor assembly is worse than we thought.
I'm noting it down. We'll need specialized solvents for this section. The supports look secure for now.
This section here is completely rotted.
And the landing gear hydraulics are seized. Look at that rust.
This seam is completely compromised right here. I'll circle the whole area.
Yeah, I see the pitting. That's definitely a red zone.
Right here, see the pitting on this spar. It's worse than I thought.
Yeah, I see it. I'll clear this debris now.
We need to start with the main gearbox inspection, following the directive here.
Right, but look at the corrosion on the tail rotor shaft. Maybe we address that first.
The pitting here is worse than the last one we saw.
Yeah, I'm logging this as critical corrosion near the coupling.
Right there, that's the deepest part of the rust.
Okay, I'll circle this entire zone.
The hydraulic pressure on the main rotor linkage is completely shot. We're looking at a full replacement.
And the avionics in Bay 3. They are showing significant corrosion.
This fuel line is completely seized. Hand me the longer wrench.
Got it. Make sure you label that before you move it.
How's the clearance? We're good. Keep lifting. A little lower on your side. Careful now. Okay, easy, easy. Looks good right there. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Moving it slowly now. Easy now, watch the clearance on the starboard side. Got it, coming up slowly.
So the Klimov engines are completely gone.
And the gearbox. This airframe is useless without them.
We need the patch right here, make sure it covers the whole chalk line.
Got it, I'll bring the sheet over now.
They did a solid job on the tail boom. The alignment looks perfect.
Yeah, tolerances are tighter than the original specs. We're on schedule.
All right, give me 20 pounds of pressure on the fuselage. Copy that. Coming up now. The seams look solid here. Oxidation is down.
Yeah, I got all the excess wiped off this panel.
All right, let's keep moving.
How's the consistency looking on the tail boom?
Looks good from here. It's perfectly uniform.
Make sure you hit that seam right there.
All right, I've got the mix ready to go. Check this spot here, looks perfectly smooth.
Yeah, the readings confirm it. Primed and ready.
The coverage looks good from here. See the transition line?
Yeah, it's a perfect match. The application system is working.
That line is flawless, man. Excellent work.
Appreciate it. I'll finish this section up. We need to address the finish on the tail seam.
Agreed, the saturation is inconsistent there. Otherwise, it's solid work.
Torque on this one is good.
Did you finish the bore scope inspection on the forward bracket?
Yep, just finished. Everything looks nominal.
Down, slowly. Watch the mounts. A hair to the right.
Roger that, looks good.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Just a few more inches.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Perfect, hold it right there.
Fuel lines connected and torqued.
Checked. Looks good.
Okay, pull it to spec. Reading steady. Verified.
Torque set on the upper bolt. Clearances look good here.
Engine instruments, verify 0.
Checked, all switches up, indications green.
Confirmed, ready for start.
Pressure slowly climbing, holding steady.
Affirmative. No visible leaks on the main lines.
Movement is smooth through the full range. Readings confirm, all parameters are nominal.
Rotor stabilization engaged. We have green across the board.
Confirm. Pressure is holding steady.
Ground power cycling now.
Fluctuation on bus 1 stabilizing. Battery voltage is good.
Fuel valve open.
Open. Pressure coming up.
Start button engaged.
Ignition. TGT rising. RPM steady.
Checklist complete.
Engine 2 stabilized, parameters in the green.
Confirmed. Engaging rotor.
The vibration on the main gear is steady.
Yeah, she's running smooth. Let's prep for takeoff.
Hydraulics check. Pressure is steady. Synchronization engaged.
What's the measurement on the green blade?
Reading 2.5, checking the chart now.
Engine parameters are stable.
Solid copy. The exhaust is clear.
Smooth operation at low RPM.
Stability confirmed, all green.
The restoration work is absolutely flawless. I've never seen a Mi-8 look this good.
They really captured the original specifications perfectly.